I love my time out on the water, but there are only so many boating days in the year. I want to make the most out of each and every one of them. That's why I depend on PartsVu. PartsVu is my go-to source for all the parts and products I need to keep her well-maintained, and so my family and I can enjoy each and every fun-filled day. PartsVu carries more than 200,000 products from the marine industry's leading brands. Of course, genuine Mercury Marine products, Yamaha, OMC, and so many others. They really are my one-stop shop for all my boating needs. I can always depend on PartsVu to provide the information resources to help me find the right parts and products for my specific engine. Handy maintenance parts charts, service schedules, specs and capacities charts, maintenance guidelines, they offer so much more than just parts. They even have PartsVu Exchange, where they regularly add new articles on all sorts of topics, from fishing and maintenance tips to behind-the-scenes looks inside the lives of professional tournament fishermen and charter captains. Plus, they offer great pricing and fast shipping, even free shipping on all of my orders more than $149. And don't forget their customer loyalty program, Aquaholics Anonymous. This program helps me save even more. And they keep track of my order history, so it's really easy to reorder my routine parts and maintenance products the next time I need them. The real reason PartsVu is my go-to? Their top-notch customer service and phone support. If I ever have a problem, PartsVu will work to make it right when others simply won't, and that makes me feel a lot more comfortable. PartsVu provides the best possible shopping experience every time, so I can get back out in the water where I belong. What are you waiting for? Click the link. See for yourself, and happy boating.